transform my iPad into a laptop using these products from Orange. It comes with a free case, keyboard, mouse, and a stickers. You can connect these to your any mobile devices using Bluetooth, and it can also be used to a laptop. This case is magnetic, so you can easily attach your keyboard without it falling. This also has a pencil slot for your Apple Pencil. It also fits my iPad perfectly, making it more protected. Here's how I connect the keyboard and mouse to my iPad. Turn on your keyboard and press connect, and go to your iPad's Bluetooth settings. Long press the middle button of your mouse if it's not showing. I swear, this works like a laptop. Mouse and keyboard didn't disappoint. I can say that this
claims he escaped because he feared for his life and that he managed to break out without any help.
Bakunahan. Ayon sa ZBH, uunahing bakunahan ang mga may sakit o
Bakit may hiningi ba ako sa iyong pambayad?
Nandun sa account mo, pinasa mo dun eh.
What do you want? People saying, right?